Hi, I'm Tio. I made a new model for TPU fursuit paws. These are printed as infill only, with a bottom layer, and the bottom layer is here on the inside, so making the whole thing more stable. But all of the rest is just infill, and it's really super flexible. And I had already modeled holes here for the claws, which are also printed with TPU filament, so they are very sturdy. And on the bottom you can see that I already sculpted some paw pads, and now I have to find a very sturdy fabric that is a little bit flexible that I can pull around it and glue on. And these paws are made to exactly fit these shoes here. So if I put them in, they fit. That's it for now. Bye bye.